The Sultan accepted the judgment and apologized to the widow. He arranged to pay the fine immediately. The widow felt satisfied that the offense was brought home to the offender. This is very important paragraph. The Sultan accepted the judgment. He accepted the judgment. Sultan was the ruler. He accepted. This is very important. He could have killed the Qazi or suspended the Qazi, but he accepted the judgment. That is why in first paragraph it is said he had a deep regard for law. सुल्तान के दिल में कानून के लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट था और उसने अपने अमल से ये बता दिया, ये जुर्म कबूल करके। सुल्तान चाहता तो काजी को कत्ल कर सकता था या उसकी पोस्ट से हटा सकता था, उसे सस्पेंड कर सकता था, लेकिन ये पैराग्राफ बताता है कि काजी के सुल्तान वॉज अ गुड रूलर एंड ही रियली रिस्पेक्टेड द लॉ and apologized, माफ़ी चाही, to the widow. He arranged to pay the fine immediately. He paid the fine immediately. The widow felt satisfied. Now the widow was satisfied that the offense was brought home. Brought home means घर नहीं लाया गया. आपको लगेगा brought home means घर लाया. Brought home means settle matter जो था वो उसे settle किया गया by giving her a payment of fine for his son's death. When the case was over, the Qazi got up from his high seat of honor. Respectfully, he bowed to the Sultan and requested him to take his seat. What happened next? When the Sultan accepted his judgment and honored his judgment and gave what it is called, gave the fine. We call it harjana. When the case was over, the Qazi got up from his high seat. Now when the case was over, he gave respect to Sultan and bowed to the Sultan and requested him to take his seat and asked him to sit. The Sultan drew the hidden sword from his robe and told the Qazi, I am happy that you did not waver in your duty. You did not hesitate to punish me, otherwise I would have beheaded you with this sword. What did the Sultan do? He showed him the hidden sword. He showed the hidden sword to Qazi and told him, I am happy you did not waver in your duty. मैं खुश हूँ कि तुमने अपनी ड्यूटी से मुंह नहीं मोड़ा. You did not hesitate to punish me. और मुझे पनिश करने में हिचकिचाए नहीं. Otherwise, नहीं तो I would have beheaded to cut his head. मैं तुम्हारा सर कलम कर दिया होता. To cut his head. Beheaded means to cut the head with this sword. The Qazi then put his hand under the cushion where the Sultan was seated and brought out a whip. Then the Qazi put his hand under the cushion, as we have the cushions in our sofas. So what did he do? He took out a whip, chabuk, and he said, Your Majesty, I am happy. Your Majesty is said to give respect to the king or sultans or magistrates. I am happy because you obeyed the law. He showed the way and what he said, I am happy you obeyed the law. कि तुमने कानून को ओबे किया. Otherwise I would have whipped you in this court. अगर आप कानून को मानते नहीं तो मैं आपको भर दरबार में सारे लोगों के सामने क्या किया होता, चाबुक से दुर्रे लगाया होता. The Sultan then got up and embraced the Qazi. Thank God we both did our duty. दोनों फिर बाद में एक दूसरे को गले लगाते हैं और कहते हैं अल्लाह का शुक्र है हमने अपनी ड्यूटी भली निभाई. Everyone present in the court praised the two great men. जो सभी कोर्ट में मौजूद थे they praised two great men. ये दोनों महान लोगों की उन्होंने तारीफ की. How was the story? Now be ready for the questions and answers and homework. In next video, I'll give you homework and questions and answers. Till then, you have to read the story and see these questions given below.